All right. So, as I was saying, in all things, we must first give thanks to the Almighty. So, if you are a Muslim, we are giving thanks to Allah. If you are a Christian, we are giving thanks to God for giving us a very special day as this. So, without much talking, let me quickly introduce the captains to you, or the captain's team to you. The captain's team is a team made up of 3 individuals, but we are a company by name the Captains. So we've named the team itself to the Captains. We don't want to change the name. The company, the Captains, the team, the Captains, because we are all captains. Now, the person talking is called Prof. Dr. Trillion Pounds. The second person who normally gives you the sniper on the spikes is called Chris Dollars. Chris Dollars, if you are listening to me, unmute yourself and give them a hi.
Hi, hi, hi.
All right. And then we have our big chairman himself, the Captain Chris. So I have 2 Chris's on the team, Chris Dollars and then the Captain Chris. So the Captain Chris, if you are hearing my voice, please give them a shout out.
Hey, hi. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you all?
All right. So
continue.
I'll leave the presentes for after the meeting. All right. So first of all, who are we? Okay. Who are we? What do we do? As I said, we are a Forex company, the captains. What we do, our services include VIP paid signal services. We have training and mentorship courses from beginners level to advanced level, or you can choose to call it professional level, depending on the term you want to use. We are also into account management. We also have what we call all-in-one pool system that will be coming very soon. Then we have referral bonus system, or referral drive system, as you might call it. And also we have our custom systems, which will also be coming later after we start the service. All these services will be explained into detail as the presentation goes on. Now, I know somebody might be new to Forex and might be wondering, what is this guy talking about? Or what is all this Forex noise going around? What is it? Well, simply, as you've heard the word Forex, Forex is just a short acronym, or a short term for what we call foreign exchange. Okay, foreign exchange of what? Currencies, assets, commodities, and indices. Okay, so you exchange one index for the other. So you are comparing prices of 2 either currencies, commodities, or index of just a single currency, and then you determine the price movement of the currency based on the analysis that you carry out on it. Then based on that, you make a decision either to sell that particular asset or to buy that particular asset. All right. So that is a simple definition I can give to you. If you want more definition and in-depth understanding, join our mentorship class. So now, why did we form the captain's team? The 3 of us realized that for the past 3 years, we have gained much knowledge into the Forex world or business. And we know a lot of people are struggling to also make it in the field. So we thought it wise that why don't we put together our knowledge in the field of Forex currency volatility, boom and crash, and other commodities like Nasdaq, gold, and S&P 500. There are people who might not be as good on the chart as us, but since we are good on the chart, let's come together and give them the trading idea that they need, and from there they can also make a living for themselves. And I don't need to talk much because our free community page says it all. The testimony is right there on the page. You can see it for yourself. So I don't need to talk about our success rate. You can rate us by yourself. Now, what are some of the benefits of you trading in the forex industry? What are some of the benefits of you trading in the forex industry? Now, I know a lot of people will be like, I don't want to lose my money. I'm afraid of losing money. So I don't want to join this business. I don't want to make a living for myself. But I can tell you, the benefit you get when you take the risk is more than when you decide not to take the risk. The losses that you made in addition to the capital you have. Why? Because the capital you have will diminish and you not get any to replace it. But when you risk it, you get profit on it. You understand? So it is only risk that can bring profit. You cannot be protecting your capital and say, I don't want to put it into any business because they'll scam me or I'll lose my money, and then you expect a return on your money. No, you spend the money and you will not get any return on it. But when you are risking it, the probability of you getting a higher return on it is very high. All right. Now, also, it will shock you that the salary somebody makes a month is what you can make in either an hour, 2 hours, a day, or a week. What somebody is earning in a month in forex. That is the beauty of forex. You are your own boss. You decide when you to sleep, when to wake up, when to eat, when to go out, when to chill. You understand? Nobody controls your life. That is the beauty of forex, and this is something we enjoyed, and we think people need to enjoy it as well. That is why we came together as the captains to give out our trading ideas. All right, this is just a simple or a brief introduction about us and what we do and the benefits that you intend to gain when you join the forex. So I was saying the captain is here to provide you with the best of the best. It's now up to you to make the decision today. With the free community page there, you can go through again, look at the results, and decide for yourself whether to join the captain's VVIP today or wait and then look at how others will make it. Don't let it be too late. Join today and then change your life in 2021. Now, let me invite my colleague Chris Dollars to take us through our signal services. So Dollars, if you're on the call, unmute yourself.
Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning from Ghana. Please, if you can hear me, type 1 in the chat box so that I can know you can hear me. If you can hear me, type 1 in the chat box. Okay. All right, so people can hear me. So the name is Jemfi Christian, and then you can call me Chris Dollars. So Chris Dollars is the captain who has been giving the sniper entries, that's the spies. So if you've been catching spies on the captain's community page or the channel, I am the one who has been giving those signals. And then sometimes I give Nasdaq and gold. So this coming year, 2021, I'll be giving more NASDAQ and then gold signals, and then more sniper entries on boom and crash, and then more signals will also be given on volatility indices. All right, so I am here to introduce you to our signal services. So when you look at these Telegram channels, many of them give just one signal. If you subscribe to their channel, they either give you only which is currency pairs, or they give you only synthetic indices. But here in the captain's team or the captain's community, we are going to serve you with two different signal services in just one. Please, if you can hear me, type 1 in the chat box. Prof, are you on the call?
Yeah, I'm on the call. They can hear you.
Hear me?
Yeah, they can hear you.
Okay. All right, so we are going to provide you two different services once you subscribe to our signal service. So we are going to give you Forex signals and then synthetic indices. So the synthetic indices is made up of boom and crash, volatility, step index, and then range break. So we've been giving more of boom and crash, volatility, and then step index. So when you subscribe to our channel, these are the services or the signals that we are going to give you on our signal services. And then the duration is going to be 1 month, 1 month duration. So let's assume you join on, we are starting the service on the signal service on 4th January 2021. So let's assume you join on 4th January 2021. That means your service or your subscription is going to be due on the following month first. So if you join on 4th January 2021, that means your subscription will end on 4th February 2021. So the duration for our signal service is 1 month. The duration of our services or the signal service is 1 month. So if you've not been on any VVIP channel before, the services we provide for signals, the duration is 1 month, which is normally 30 days or 31 days. It is normally 30 or 31 days. So we are not only going to operate on Telegram. A time will come, we'll either have a website or an app where our clients or our members will get our daily trade ideas or signals from. We are not only going to operate on Telegram, but for now, we are giving all our signals on Telegram. And then many people have been asking why they are not able to chat in the group or see other people on the channel. This is because we want to avoid other people getting contact with you. On Telegram, there are many people who defraud others. So we don't want this to happen to people through us. That's why our channel is muted. You won't be able to get access to anybody so that you go and worry or disturb the person. That's why our channel is muted. So you won't be able to see anybody. So let me go to the fees that we'll be charging for the services. The duration is 1 month, and then we are going to charge 250 Ghana cedis. 250 Ghana cedis for 1 month duration. And then in US dollars, it's approximately $45 US. If you are in Nigeria, it's 17.2k naira, 17,200 naira. That's for the 1 month signal service. But then before we start the service on 4th January 2021, we are going to give a discount, a 20% off. So anybody on this call or anybody on the channel who wishes to join our VVIP channel before we start on 4th January, we are going to get a 20% discount off. So in Ghana cedis, if you are taking 20% out of 250 Ghana cedis, the 20% will be 50 Ghana cedis. So if you are joining the channel before 4th January, from today to 4th January, if you are able to join our VVIP channel, that means you are going to pay only 200 Ghana cedis, only 200 Ghana cedis. And then in dollars, you are going to pay 36 US dollars. And then in Naira, it's 13.7K, 13,700 Naira. That's for the promo. So from now to 4th January 2021, you can join our VVIP with a 20% off discount. So you can get on board once we are done with the conference call. You can contact the captain's admin and then make your payment and then get access to our VVIP channel, 20% off. So as I said earlier, we are not only going to operate on Telegram. A time will come, we will be having conferences and then programs in the various universities. So people will be able to meet the captain's team. People will be able to meet the captain's team and then have one-on-one interaction with us. So for now, this is what we have for our signal service. This is what we have for our signal service. And then we also have a referral bonus, but then my boss Chris, will talk about the referral bonus. When you bring someone on board, you are going to get a cool cash, but I won't go into details. My boss will explain the referral bonus to us all. So right after the call, if you want to join the VVIP channel, you just get to us and then we get you on board. You get 20% off. So this brings us to the end of the signals services. So my boss Chris, the captain, will continue with the other services. This is Chris Dollars. Chris Dollars. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Dollars. Thank you very much. So Mr. Chris will take over. He will explain the referral bonus and then he will also explain our account management system. Thank you.
Right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, outsiders. When I use the word outsiders, I'm talking about those coming from or hearing us from Nigeria, all the African countries, and all the Europe countries and co. We appreciate the love. We appreciate the enthusiasm. We appreciate the community fire that each and every one has helped since day one. We believe that indeed it has been a journey, and the journey has come to an end where we need to be exposed out with the knowledge that we have tapped in this Forex industry. Once again, the name is the Captain Chris, right? I am your host for now, and at the same time, I am your trend crash and booms signal provider. At the same time, the Forex signals, the currency, anything you because the team has taken their time, gone through all the Forex in and out school. Currently, I can say that I have that 3 years experience in the Forex industry. Right. What I want to tell each and everyone is that you have come to the right place, that we will be giving you the best, as my brothers have said. Right. So for now, let me quickly take you through what my brother just ended. Right. With the VIP signals, as he was explaining, we thought it wise that if I find the captain's work very neat, very lucrative, why don't I bring another person that can also join the captains? Then the team is saying, if you should bring someone on board, then you need to be paid. You need to be rewarded so that you will be motivated, or you'll be happy to bring another person on board. So we have termed it a referral bonus. It's not a network bonus, but rather this is a referral bonus. In another sense, we have some members on the page who are very, very good in the marketing era, where they can convince or can bring on board a lot of people to come and trade with the community. And we are saying that once you have this ideology on board, don't say that whatever you are going to do will be in vain. As we have started, those who send more of our screenshot out, we're able to send them a Bitcoin. And those that have sent more of the screenshot of the Zoom call, at the end of the day, we are going to announce the winner or the winners so that we will give them what is called back to the community. Right. So with the referral bonus, we are saying that if you join and you find our work very neat, very good, and you bring in someone, the company is rewarding you $8 on the person's registration. The company rewards you $8 on the person's registration. That is those from outside Ghana, you are paying in dollars. And if you are in Ghana, you will be getting what is called 50 Ghana cedis. So one secret about this referral bonus is that it helps those who have registration money or who have the appetite to do business or in the network marketing manner. So if you have if you have done your registration, you don't have the capital, and you can bring at least every blessed day, you can bring one person on board, you are getting $8. So when you multiply $8 by 30 days, look at the total amount of money you'll be getting as an additional benefit joining the team. Are you getting it? So that is what we are talking about, the referral bonuses. And the referral bonuses cut across all the packages that we are going to render. And when the person that you have brought on board, if assuming the person is doing another renewal, if the person is doing renewal, you are going to get $5 from the person. You are going to get $5 from the person's registration. Renewal amount, you get $5. So at the end of it, you realize that you are part of the team, and whatever the team is doing, at least at the end of the month, sometimes we always say that I brew or I've broke my account, I broke my account, let me say the word, I broke my account, but I don't have capital to start, but I can still convince people. We are not saying that there's no any cross under this referral bonus. You can choose to be trading with us. We are getting it. If you can hear me, type 1 in the chat board. You can choose to be trading with us. Still, you will be earning your referral bonus. Or you can still not trade with us, but recommend other people to the team. And you'll be paid the $8 for subscription and $5 for renewal. So when you change it to our Ghana city, or you change to Dara city, or when you change it to African country, your currencies, you realize that yes, the team is doing something to push each and every one. The team loves their community. So that is what I can talk about the referral bonus. So my brother have spoken about the 20% discount. So Moses, if you can move to the next one. Great. As you can see, we have account management. This is the point, or this is the crucial decision, or the crucial detail that you need to know. Once we say account management, most of our members, or most of the people who have come, we have had encounter with them, you realize they have it in mind that it is about get quick money. Once you bring in your $1,000, once you bring in your $200, $300, you should be doubling the account to $300, $500, $1,000, $70,000 in just seconds and go. No. The team have delved into this account management system, and the team have realized that account management system is something that at least we should treat it like a monthly investment, which you should wait at the end of the month, you will get a bigger returns if you have patience in doing account management with us, we assure you that at least you will get every month not less than 20% on your capital. And then with the capital requirement, let me start from there. With the capital requirement, sometimes we choose to save Forex goods. You can move $1 to $1,000, $3 to $50,000. It is gambling. Let me use that word. It is gambling. The word gambling comes in. That is when you'll be using the bigger lot size to get there, but it can blow the account at any time in point. So with our account management system, it is a system that we are going to have a relaxed mindset to go into the market, get what we will need or we need in the market, and come out peacefully. We can place a signal which can take like 2 or 3 days still in the market with a small lot size. So anyone who is joining the account management, we have rules and regulations that will be sent to you for you to read. You will sign, we will sign. Then it means we are part of a contract. So we are saying that the minimum capital is $2,000. That is what we are accepting to take if you want to for us to manage your account for you is $2,000. Registration fee is $100. Registration fee is $100. You know, it is an institution on its own. There are other systems that we will be using. We need to buy other things to make sure that once we send signal, everyone gets it on point and go. So once you are part of it, it's like a school. So you need to pay a registration fee of $100. And the profit sharing ratio is 50-50 weekly, 50-50 weekly, 50-50 weekly. Again, we are saying 50-50 with a reason. Yesterday, I chat with one of our friends who is on board as I'm speaking to you. He was giving me a nice ideas on the account management that we should rather make it 40-60 and go. And we spoke lengthy. You know, the reason is even though it is your capital to us, our goodwill is also at stake. So there are other things that we put in place to make sure that things goes well with you. But then still management are still taking some laudable decision on what our brother said. So with the account management system, for now, it is 50-50 weekly. Then you send our share to the management account. So you don't have to be worried about it. And with the copy trade system, it's coming soon. As we have said, with the copy trade system, it's coming soon. There are a lot of things that we need to do. This is a corporate. This is a company that there are a lot of things that we have realized in the market that we need to pinpoint it for you to also know. So I think I am done on the account management. If you don't understand anything, there will be time for questions and answers. Right. Moses, you can continue.
All right, thank you, the Captain Chris. So before I go to the mentorship, let me quickly say something here on the referral bonus. Here, the last point here, I think some of you might not understand what Mr. Chris meant. What we are trying to say is whether you are part of us, you are a registered member in our VIP or not, as long as you bring somebody to be part of any of our services, whether our VIP, whether our mentorship, whether our account management, you will get your referral bonus. We are not doing that thing. You have to be part of us before you get the bonus. No. Once you bring the person, you have swear to go and bring that person. We give you your bonus, whether you are part of us or not. We pay you your money. That is the business you think you want to do. But the only thing is you must educate the person and make the person understand the risk involved. Though we will assist you with some few tutorial videos, but you must also, if you want to make it as a business, you must also take it upon yourself to do your part so that you will still continue to get customers, because you understand that if you are part of us or not, you enjoy the bonus. So that is to you. Now let's look at the mentorship area. So as I said earlier, I'm Prof. Dr. Trillion Pounds. You can call me Moses. And mostly I take care of the mentorship, though I also do signals provision on the page. For me, I do anyone that I'm able to get access to at any time. I can give signals from anywhere, being it spikes, being it direction, being it currency. But we want to schedule the duties well so that there will not be any pressure on the team. So most of the time, the two Chris's are the ones that give you people the signals a lot. I only give few signals. But when it comes to the mentorship, I handle you. And we will handle you for 3 months. That is the duration of our program, 3-month mentorship. During the 3 months, the first 2 months, you get access to our VVIP signals free. So it's inclusive. And the price in dollars is $200. So the registration fee for the mentorship is $200. And if you are in Ghana, 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 Ghana cedis. Now, the mentorship will be from beginning or from the basics to the advanced. Okay, so we are going to learn from the basics what Forex is, why we trade in the Forex market. Then we go to the basics, through the basics like the trend lines, the support and resistance. Then we go to the advanced. Okay, from there we go to our supply zones, our demand zones, and so on and so forth. So you have a lot of things to catch up in terms of the mentorship, and you will love it because it makes you open your mind to what the Forex world is, and it makes you enjoy even the signals that will be provided to you. Because once a signal comes, you look at your chart, oh, it's on point, I can enter. Then you see, and if you have the knowledge, sometimes let me tell you, what somebody might be seeing in the market, what we might be seeing in the market is not what you might be seeing in the market. So if you have the knowledge, sometimes we can bring a signal, be like, no, okay, this signal will not play out. I don't want to risk it. You understand? So you can safeguard yourself when you have the knowledge. So that is the beauty of having the knowledge. And our mentorship is programmed such that you'll be able to enjoy the beauty of trading, the beauty of analyzing the chart. It will be at your fingertips. You understand? You enjoy it, you will love it, and you will understand it because we teach you in a layman's language, and then we bring you to the professional's language. So you start from the layman's language, then you come to the professional language. So that is basically it about our mentorship. It's just a 3-month program, and then you are done. And during the 3 months, the first 2 months, you enjoy free of our VIP signals. Then the 3rd month, if you want to continue having our signal service, that's why you have to now repay or reactivate yourself. Otherwise, then by then you will gain a lot of knowledge, and you might decide that, okay, well, I also have the knowledge, I want to try myself. But if you think, oh, I still need more practice, then you pay for our VVIP signal from the 3rd month going. So we can only give you 2 months free signal for your $200 because we are giving you knowledge and at the same time feeding you for that 2 months. So please, that is it. But now I'll open the floor for questions. So if you don't understand something, you have any question to ask, I'm unmuting everybody. I'll unmute everybody, and then you ask your question. Okay, you ask your question. So please, if you have any question, just unmute yourself. I've deactivated the mute button so you can unmute yourself and ask.
So unmute everybody. If you get out, they will not be hearing ourselves. Let each person unmute themselves when they have questions.
All right. So if you want to ask any question, unmute yourself and then you ask the question.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity.
Welcome.
My question has to do with the mentorship.
All right.
I've seen $200, which is 1,000 Ghana cedi in 1,000 Ghana cedi. So I want to ask that is it from when you pay this $200, are you going to touch anything, or you have to do and move to another level, or what?
Come again.
I'm asking that
Yeah.
when you
Please,
subscribe for
I'm
the
coming. Please, those who are not asking questions, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Please, just a minute. Let me mute some people so that. Let me mute some people.
You are so cheap.
Can I ask my question?
Yeah, please go on now.
Okay, so is it mentorship? Registration is $200.
Yeah.
So my question is that when you pay the $200, is it one-time payment up to when you are going to be good, or it depends on, or I have to pay another money again?
No. It's not something you pay and renew. No, it's a one-time payment. That is for the mentorship.
One-time payment.
Yeah, please understand this for the mentorship. It's just one-time
Oh,
payment.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what if some of us are like, we don't have any idea about it? So, and if I want to also sign up for the signals,
Yeah.
once you are starting 4 January, and I don't know how to trade. So
Please.
when I sign up, how am I going to work it out?
How much
It
are
was
you
me for
going
it.
to?
I want to sign up for both the mentorship and the signals.
Okay.
But the point is that I don't have any idea about the trading. So when I sign up for the mentorship and the signal, how am I going to trade?
Yes, the thing is, once you pay for mentorship, we are going automatically, you qualify for signals. Once you pay your $200, automatically you qualify for signals for 2 months. So you don't need to pay a separate money for this signals. And the thing is, we will teach you how to take your trades, how to enter your trades, and all those videos will be coming out. Please, who is that?
Hello.
Yeah, please, I'm coming. I'm answering somebody. So the thing is that once you pay for the mentorship, you are covered for 2 good months for signals, and then we train you to on how to take the trades. So there will be a video on how to take the trades. All those videos will come out this week.
Oh, okay. Okay, last one. So when I'm ready to pay, which number or which number should I pay to?
Yes, we will announce the payment these things on the page.
On the page. Oh, okay.
Yes,
okay.
please.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
Welcome.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hello.
please. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. This is Father Abraham.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, please, who is speaking?
Father Abraham.
Okay, Father Abraham, please talk.
Good morning.
Morning.
I want to ask, is it possible for us to have like 40% reduction for those who want to join the VVIP today?
What is?
For those who want to join the VVIP today, can you
Yeah.
help us use? Can you help us increase the percentage to like 40%?
40% for those who will join today.
Yeah, the discount to 40%.
Okay, it's a suggestion. So I think after the meeting, management will take your suggestion and discuss. If management agrees on it, we will announce it on the page.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Hello.
All right. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Good morning. My
Morning.
name
Please,
is
who is speaking?
Yeah. Just be patient. I will introduce myself. My name is Albert. I'm calling from. I'm not in Ghana actually.
Okay.
But then my little brother has been doing Crash and Boom, and he introduced me to this platform.
All right.
You mentioned about account management.
Yeah.
The minimum deposit. or
Yeah.
capital required is $2,000.
Yes, please.
Now, how is that gonna work? Because I know some systems where you, the person, will have to create your trading account,
Okay.
and then you deposit the money in your account. Then you give your the trading terminal login details, be it MT4 or MT5, to the people who are doing the account management.
Yeah.
And then you will have access to your funds. But then when the profit is built up, you share according to whatever agreement has been made.
Yeah.
Are you going to run that kind of system, or the money will have to be transferred to you, and then
Great.
you will use
May
your
I
own
may I
system to
interrupt
trade? How is that gonna work?
Some may I come in? May I?
Please, wait,
Let me answer.
yourself. Yeah, Mr. Chris.
Yeah,
please
Moses, can I? Right. Is that Mr. Abelt?
Yes, please.
Great. Thanks for your question. Right. With our account management system, we are going to have the client depositing the amount into his trading account, and then will give us the password and let's use the word investment password.
Okay.
So that you'll be trading. So you, the investor, will see what you'll be doing. If we are going by the rules and regulations that you are going to sign, you also get to know. Because on the account of 2,000, there is a lot size that we need to use on the account. And if the account is going into deep loss, at least we have something called percentage ratio, right? The loss ratio that you need to have on each of any signal that you take. Once the loss get to that ratio or get to that percentage, at least it should be out of the market. And then on crash and boom, I've explained it on the page that crash and boom is the same as NASDAQ, is the same as gold, trading gold. It's the same as trade. Let me use the word trading the stocks, because it's very, very volatile, or very, very the speed is very, very big. And the secrecy in this crash and boom against Forex, to me, I trade both Forex and crash and boom, both Forex and synthetic, but I find the synthetic very lovely, very relaxed. You get the money on time. If I enter a trade within 30 minutes on crash and boom, and you also enter a trade on Forex without a news, you realize that the speed on crash and boom within 30 minutes, the amount of money I'll be getting will be higher than the one. We have done a lot of analysis. So based on your question, the investor, the client will put the money in his or her account, and then we sign an agreement. Then every week you withdraw the money and then send us our share. Then you keep the share. On our VIP services, you will see we wrote all-in-one pool account. That one, it will be starting soon. That one, we will collect all the money and put it into the company's account and trade with it. With that one, the explanation is like, not every one of us have the $2,000 for account management. But then, almost all of us have, let's say, $100 or $200 or $300 or $30 or let's say $500 to trade. But then, because we are not good traders, we can grow the account within 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 3 hours. So we also thought it wise that it will be better for us to put all the money into one account and then give a percentage every week, that once we get this profit, this percentage goes to each and every one who are part of the all-in-one pool account. With that one, we are not yet starting it. Once it starts, we also let it out. We will call for a meeting. We all agree. Whatever that we want to do, I always use the word, the name is at stake. We are not in just to come within the next 40 days, we are out of the system. No, the company has come to stay. The company want to do what is called a business-minded service. So we are not going to do like hit and run activity. And in the forex market, you know, there are a lot of ways that people need. The services that members need are very, very big. So these are the only ones that we have chosen for now, or selected for now, to base or to rely on it. That I think, or we think that members would love to join. Right? Are you getting me?
Yes. Thank you very much for the detailed explanation. One more thing. So I believe you're setting up the business in Ghana, but then one thing you should also bear in mind is that these days a lot of things can go global easily with the help of internet. So as you are doing it, have you considered how, if for example I invest in the pool setup, how are you going to be paying my money, which is my dividend, to me, no matter where I am in the world? Would there be a system like that? Because I know in Ghana you have mobile money and all the other ones, but if you have to have people from other regions of the world, then there might be other system. Maybe you'll be paying people Bitcoin wallet or whatever. So how would that be done?
The team is going. We have not ended our presentation. We have a system or a way that if you want to send money to us, or we want to send money to you, we have the Bitcoin, the blockchain
Wallet.
Bitcoin wallet. We have the bank. We have teamed up with one of the renowned bank in the world, which is called Fidelity Bank, and at the same time GT Bank. These are our two banks that if you want to have a transaction with us, you can also use, at least apart from the Bitcoin or the screw. But for now, we are not using the screw. The screw, we are not going to use it for now for a reason. But at least we know everyone, most of the members know what is called Bitcoin wallet. So you can use that. And if you are in Ghana, we have our mobile money account that you can send the money in. If you are outside Ghana, we have other way, mobile money transfer. It can also be done. So everything will be detailed. Once we finish with the explanation, we are going to put out our flyers detailing everything that we have said here on it, right?
All right. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Welcome,
you.
sir.
All right, please, you take some more questions. You take about some 2 or 3 questions. Our time is almost up, so you take about some 2 or 3 questions. Then we'll call it an end for this session. So the next question. Please, if you have any question, yourself. Yeah.
Please, my own question is based on the signal group majorly. Like the signal group, the take profit and the stop loss will be set. Then how efficient will you guys be in order for you to tell us, okay, well, this trade is no longer going the way we plan, no, please exit? Because most times signal providers, the only thing they do is they set take profit and stop loss. Then maybe the market is already in profit, and the market, they now notice the market is probably turning back, or it won't get to the stop loss, or it won't get to the take profit. They won't even bother to tell their members, because they will be like, you should have known what to do. Because some people does not even know how to trade. They only pay for signals, and they are bound to just take the signals alone. Then
sure. We are not cutting you short. If you are new, just quickly go to the page. You realize that all signals that we send on the page, we give stop loss, take profit, we update in hours or in 2 minutes, depending on what we are seeing in the market. After that one, members on the board will testify about it. That is how we trade. And that is how trading should be. You need to be updating the members day in, day out to find, because anything can happen. In the market, we have buyers and sellers. We always say that in Forex, it's the same as a technical knowledge in economics. whilst we have buyers and sellers in any of the market zone, the buyers can take over, the sellers can take over. So once we give signal on the page, we update and we keep on telling you, you can move forward, you can move out, you can take profit, you can log profit and go. That is how we do it, and that's how we are going to treat our VIPs. So that one, the assurance is high, right?
Okay, then
we have only 5 minutes left because it's time. So
hello, please can you hear me? I have a question. Okay, so I need to find out. I mean, I know the market does what it wants all the time, but is there a minimum number of signals should be given us each day when we pay for the paid signals group, or is there, I don't know if you discussed it already, if there is, you make sure that every day our wins will outweigh our losses? Is there anything like that so that we will get our money's worth?
I think already our services have shown that anytime that even on the free page we run into loss, we try to, if the market is good and great, we try and bring out another idea that covers that loss for the day. So far, I've not remembered any of the days that we've I think only once that we ended the day in loss, and that was even on currencies, not volatility. So we always try. So that means if we have been doing that for the VIP and for the free signal, you can imagine what will happen to the VVIP. That's my short answer.
I think you guys are doing a great job. Keep it up. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Is it majorly crash and boom or both volatility and?
Oh, please, we give all. We give crash, boom, volatility, and currencies.
Okay.
What of indices?
Hello, so I'm sorry, lastly. Okay, thank you very much. This is Judah Mensah speaking.
Okay.
Okay, with the VIP signals, I want to know if you want to manage your account, do you really have to, maybe you have a small amount of money, $500. Is it really that? Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello? Please, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, I'm saying that with the VIP signals, I'm saying that. So is it going to be the account management where after every month maybe you also get another 50% profit, or is it different
VIP,
from the?
is different from the account management. Account management is
okay.
VIP signal.
Okay.
That one you trade the signal we give you by yourself. You just take it, enter the trade, and make your profit. But with the account management, you send us your details and we handle everything.
Please, one other thing.
Okay.
All right, please. Last question.
Can you help us draw a chart, maybe for a minimum of $2 account? Okay, use this size for the
one question at a time. Felix. Yeah, you were saying something.
Yeah, I said, can you help us draw a chart? Probably, okay, or maybe for someone with $200 account, this is the minimum loss side. You should take maybe 1 or 2 positions and all that for all the PS, please.
I think we have it on this thing, so I'll just re-forward it. We have it on the channel, so I'll just re-forward it.
Re-forward it. Thank you.
All right, so please, if you have any question, reserve it for the second session in the evening, 7 p.m. We are out of time here. We have to go to work. We have some meetings to attend. So we thank you all for coming. We will announce on the page the payment methods. And remember, don't pay for VIP signal and start trading with $50. Okay, at least you should have 200 and above, at least 200 and above to do away with emotion. That is why we say that. You see, we must not lie to you to come and make you feel like, oh, I can just take $50 and send it to $10,000. No, it's wrong. So it's better we tell you the fact. We have been in this business for the past 3 years. So please, you have to at least have $200 and above. If you have maybe less than that, at least it should be above $100. Okay, but per our advice, $200 and above. But if you still don't get up to that, you should not have anything less than $100. All right, so that is the last word I have. I don't know if my colleagues have any last words for you before we close the session down. Thank you.
No, let's meet in the evening for now. We are grateful to each and everyone who participated or joined the meeting. So let's see. Have a fruitful day. We'll meet in the evening.
All right, so thank you all for coming. See you.